Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today, most of the Asian markets were negative, but we opened higher. And that was really surprising. That's because FIIs have been buyers for the last many days. IT stocks fell in the morning. Both TCS and Infosys fell, and consistently throughout the day, these two stocks were doing badly. That's because the Nasdaq has been doing underperforming for the last few days. HDFC Twins also, there was some profit booking in the morning. Both the stocks fell, but after some time, so they recovered, and then after recovering throughout the day, they were trading almost flat. So on one side, it was Kotak Bank, State Bank bringing the markets down. On the other side, ICICI Bank making the market move higher. So it was the ICICI Bank that was the star of today's trade. And like on Reliance was slightly positive, but IT stocks were slightly negative. So overall it was almost we can say flat. I think on a close to close basis, Nifty was up 10 points, I think so. So in the last 5 trading session, so except Monday, all the remaining 4 trading session, so Nifty was either plus or minus 10 or 15 points only. So the markets were consolidating. So that was expected, ahead of such a big event like US CPI inflation data, markets consolidating is something really very, very good. And of course, at 6 p.m., the consumer price inflation data came from US. It came at 8.5. I've been telling you the crude oil has been down for the last 1 month, and food prices have also been down. So therefore, CPI inflation data was expected. It was expected at 8.7, but came at 8.5, so which is much lower, and that's why the US futures are shooting up like anything. Nasdaq future has shot up more than 300 points. But what was surprising, why there is so much of short covering, though it was expected. What was not expected? The core CPI data. The core CPI data people expected much higher, around 6.1%, and whereas last month it was 5.9%. But surprisingly, today the core CPI data, which is excluding energy and food, it came at 5.9, exactly same as last month. So that was the reason why there was a huge short covering, and now SGX Nifty is already up nearly 100 points. So looking at the open interest, so there was no change. That is expected because tomorrow is expiry, and ahead of CPI data, I don't think that there was much activity. But only thing is, both the sides premiums have come down because of time value. Anyway, I was little bit scared of taking position overnight because of US inflation data. I squared up all my positions, and I'm just carrying only the monthly positions. Monthly position also, I'm keeping slightly positive view about the market. So India VIX has up. It has been up for the last few days, and it has inched closer to 20 today, but tomorrow market goes up or down, forget about it, and India VIX is likely to collapse. The US VIX is down already more than 5%. So tomorrow, I think the premiums are just too high. And look, today almost 2 weeks over, you have only 2 more weeks, and out of that we have one public holiday also. So the premiums are really very, very high. The 18,000 call was trading around 65-70 rupees. So that thing is likely to collapse. And 100-point gap up or gap down, and that's really something good for option sellers. 100-point gap up, call will remain at the same place, but put will collapse. 100-point gap down, put will be remaining at the same place, call prices will collapse. So let us see tomorrow. We have until tomorrow time to react. And today, the Tata Chemicals, wow, it is up more than 10%. And City Union Bank up 8%. I think they're all because of good results. But a day before yesterday, I told you ICICI Bank may be in focus. Even I did not expect ICICI Bank to shoot up so much, and now it is beyond 850, very close to all-time high. So ICICI Bank will be the first private sector bank to hit all-time high very soon. So today I am not going to show any chart as I am too busy today, and I can tell you the stocks that you can focus tomorrow. Anyway, now markets are bullish, so we have to talk about the stocks which are bullish only. So Hindalco and Hero MotoCorp, and both these stocks have added huge open interest today ahead of the results. And Hero MotoCorp result is on Friday. Hindalco result is today. I think by this time it should be out. I don't know. I have to check it. And you don't want to take risk in results. So apart from the results, the two stocks which are looking really very outstanding. One is ICICI Bank. The other one is Larsen & Toubro. So ICICI Bank and Larsen & Toubro will be definitely in focus tomorrow. So one thing I tell you, L&T is a capital goods company. If a capital goods company is doing very well, means in 6 months to 12 months time, economy will be doing very well. Yeah, maybe I'll come out with a video regarding this. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.